Okay, so welcome back guys, and in this tutorial we'll be looking at how to install Python. So the installation of Python is really easy. It does differ though for Macs and Windows depending on what operating system you're using. So if you're using Windows, you will by default have download for Windows on Python's website. You can go ahead and install the Python 3. Anything that begins with the 3 is acceptable for this course because the syntax for Python 2 is different from the syntax for Python 3. That's why we're going to be using Python 3. It's the latest version, so you just click on that, you download, and obviously you can also download the version by going to the file itself. So all releases, so that's just here under downloads, all releases, and then here the release version for Python 3.6.3, if you just go to download, it will take you to this download page where you can scroll to the bottom, and here you get all the files. This is where you can download all the possible files of that version. And I've installed this one, and if you're a Windows user, then you have 6 options depending on what bit system you're using. So 64 bits, you have zip file, exe file, and you also have a web-based installer. And for 32-bit, you have zip file, executable, and web-based. So that's for Windows. Once you have it installed, there will be a wizard, installation wizard, and for Mac, you'll obviously have this. Okay, so you can just click continue, and then this is all the important information. Continue, continue, agree to the license, and then you can go ahead and type in your password, and at the very end it will just install and say a summary. Do you want to launch it? Just click on launch and you can launch it. Once you have it downloaded, you can just search for the app, in Macs by Spotlight, in Windows by the Windows search, and you can just type in IDLE. Idle is the software where we type in the Python code. So it allows the user to type in the code. So this is idle, and we're gonna start programming from our next tutorial.